Hi there, everybody. This is teacher Farah Al-Maimouni. Today I'm gonna give a lesson for Grade 5, Unit 1, Lesson 2. Pupils Book, page 13. Activity Book, page 7. Past Simple and Past Continuous. This PowerPoint presentation is made by teacher Al-Hanouf Al-Umair and edited by teacher Farah Al-Maimouni. Here we go. The topic, Past Simple and Past Continuous. Unit 1, Lesson 2. Pupils Book, page 13, Activity Book, page 7, date 22/1/1442, day Thursday. Objectives. The objectives are number 1, distinguish between using a past simple sentence and a past continuous sentence. Number 2, associate third person singular pronouns I, she, he, and it with was, wasn't, and other personal pronouns like they, we, you with were and weren't. Number 3, connect a past simple sentence with a past continuous sentence using while or when. Number 4, describe an event using a past simple sentence and a past continuous sentence with either while or when. Give me examples of past simple sentences and past continuous sentences. A past simple sentence is, she ate ice cream last night. A past continuous sentence is, she was eating ice cream all night. So here we get the difference between the two sentences. In past simple, we just turn the verb into the past. In past continuous, we use was and we add ing to the verb, all right? When do we use a past simple sentence and when do we use a past continuous sentence? We use a past simple sentence when the activity is finished in the past. Examples: I watched TV last night. So when did I watch TV? I did it last night. It's finished. It's over. It happened. It all happened last night. I'm not watching TV right now, but last night I watched TV. That's past simple. The action is done. It's over. It happened. And now I'm not doing it. All right? Another sentence. She blew up balloons yesterday. So yesterday she blew up balloons. Now she is not blowing up balloons. She's done. She did it yesterday. The action is done. So this is the past simple. We use it when the activity is finished in the past. It was finished last night. It was finished yesterday. I'm not doing it right now. Now with past simple, like we said, we use it to talk about finished time in the past. Now, with past simple, you have to turn the verb into the past. The past for take is took. The past for visit is visited. The past for write is wrote. Examples: for the first verb, Ali took my bag yesterday. For the second verb, I visited London last year. For the third verb, I wrote my homework last weekend. Now, sometimes we use negative form when we are making a past simple sentence. So what's the difference between a positive sentence and a negative sentence? Now here we have, Ali took my bag yesterday. Now, if it's a negative sentence, it goes like this. Ali didn't take my bag yesterday. Look at the verbs. In the first sentence, the verb is turned into the past. It's took. However, in the second sentence, it's take. So when we use didn't in the sentence, we don't change the verb. It stays the same. All right? Let's see another sentence. I visited London last year. The verb is turned into the past. However, if I use didn't like here, I didn't visit London last year. The verb stays the same. We don't add ed in the end. Let's see the third sentence. I wrote my homework last weekend. If I put didn't, I didn't write my homework last weekend. So when the verb is preceded by didn't, we don't change it. It stays the same, all right? Now, we know when to use a past simple sentence when the action is done in the past and it's finished. When do we use a past continuous sentence? We use a past continuous sentence when the activity is finished in the past, but we want to emphasize duration. Examples: I was watching TV all night. So in past continuous, I want to tell you about how long was I doing the action. I was watching TV all night. So for a long time, all night, I was watching TV. Another sentence, she was blowing up balloons for hours. So it took her lots of hours to blow up all the balloons. This is the difference between past simple and past continuous. In past simple, I'm just telling you that I did the action last night and it's done. However, in past continuous, I want to show you how long was I doing the action, all right? Also, we use past continuous when ongoing action in the past is interrupted, cut off by a sudden event. For example, I was watching TV when mom walked in. So, while I was watching TV, my mom walked in. There's an action that happened to interrupt what I was doing. Another sentence, she was blowing up balloons when the phone rang. So, while she was blowing up balloons, at the time she was blowing up balloons, the phone rang. An action happened while she was doing something. So this is when to use past continuous, all right? Now, how to make a past continuous sentence? We use was or wasn't plus a verb plus ing. And or we use were and weren't with a verb and ing. Now, what comes with was and wasn't? She, he, it, and I. What comes with were and weren't? They, you, we. Let's see some sentences. With was and wasn't, I was throwing some confetti. I wasn't throwing some confetti. With were and weren't, we were opening presents. We weren't opening presents. I think it's very simple. Now, when to use while and when to use when to connect a past simple sentence with a past continuous sentence. Now, we use while with past continuous, like this. Number one, while I was blowing up balloons, a cat came in the house. So I use while when I see ing in the sentence, all right? Because ing indicate past continuous sentence. Let's see a past simple sentence. I use when with past simple, like this. Number one, when a cat came in the house, I was blowing up balloons. So I use when I see the verb in the past, but there is no ing. Okay? When you use when, make sure the verb does not have ing. However, with while, you must add while to the sentence when there is ing. All right? Let's see the other sentences, and you can compare what I'm reading. Number two, while she was putting up decorations, her mom called her. Number two on the other side, when her mom called her, she was putting up decorations. The third sentence, while he was eating sweets, his sister took a photo. Number three from the other side, when his sister took a photo, he was eating sweets. Sentence number four, while they were lighting candles, Sarah made a video. Number four, on the other side, when Sarah made a video, they were lighting candles. So don't forget, we use while with past continuous when the verb has ing. We use when with past simple when the verb is turned into the past. Sometimes while and when come in the middle of the sentence, like this. Of course, we use while with past continuous. Number 1, Reem went to the kitchen while, look at it, it's in the middle. Now, the second sentence has to have ing. While Sarah was putting up decorations. So if while and when are in the middle, you have to check the second sentence. Let's read again. Number 1, Reem went to the kitchen while Sarah was putting up decorations. On the other side, we use when with past simple in the second sentence. Number 1, Sarah was putting up decorations when Reem went to the kitchen. Okay, let's read the other sentences and you can see for yourself. 2, Mom called me while I was greeting guests. Number 2, I was greeting guests when Mom called me. Number 3, Dad finished the decorations while we were lighting candles. Number 3, we were lighting candles when Dad finished the decorations. Number 4, the guests arrived while we were blowing up balloons. Number 4, we were blowing up balloons when the guests arrived. All right, let's put it to test. Now, let's write either when or while. Let's see. The girls were dancing. This is the first sentence, and I'm going to use it in the first sentence. Let's see the first sentence. The girls were dancing. I have ing in the sentence. It's a past continuous, so I use while. Let's read the sentence again. While the girls were dancing, ing, the CD stopped. Let's see the second one. I was cooking spaghetti. The first sentence has ing. It's past continuous, so I will use while. While I was cooking spaghetti, the gas finished. The last sentence, I took a photo. This is the first sentence. I took a photo. Is there ing in the verb? No, there is no ing. It's a past simple sentence. So I use when. Let's do it again. When I took a photo, the boys were playing football. Right? Now, describe an event using a past simple sentence and a past continuous sentence. Oh, sentence is not clear. It's okay. All right. This is about my life. You can use it about your life. I'm going to tell you a sentence from my experience. While I was making this lesson, a bird chirped outside my window. So, I use while when there is ing, when it's past continuous. I'm still doing the action, okay? I was still doing the action when the bird chirped outside my window, okay? Let's read it again. Oh, sorry. While I was making this lesson, a bird chirped outside my window. Let's see a second sentence with when. When I made this lesson, my daughters were sleeping. Okay? When I made this lesson, my daughters were still sleeping. So their action was still going on when I finished the video. Okay? Now, you may open your pupil's book, page 13, and answer some questions there. Okay? Now, your homework is activity book, page 7. This was teacher Farah Al Maimouni. Thank you very much.